Alright, you've just realized you lost your crypto to a gaming scam. You're not alone. It happens to smart people. Before you panic, here's how to try to get your funds back with a legit crypto recovery service. Don't rush into anything. Scammers love desperate victims. Take a deep breath. Start by gathering every detail about the transaction. Screenshots, wallet addresses, emails, anything you have. This info is crucial for recovery attempts. Research reputable recovery agency like societech.com, check their solid reviews and proven track records, Trustpilot ratings recommendations from major crypto forums, and they don't ask for your private keys or upfront payment. They avoid the red flags. Go to their website and follow instructions. You'll usually submit transaction details and verify your identity. Societech use certified crypto analyst to trace where your crypto went. After submitting, stay patient. Recovery can take hours or days. There's no guarantee you'll get everything back. But on societech.com, you get a fighting chance. Learn from the experience. Enable extra security on your accounts. Always double-check before sending or investing in crypto gaming scam. Drop a comment below if this helped. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. Like and subscribe for more crypto tech tips.